in, or this is the courses, contact us and the login page. So when you go down, you can see many courses available there. You have to click on the XGMT 2022. So once you are into that, you can always check the program overview, right? You can also see the detailed schedule here. When you go down, you have many YouTube videos that will give you an insight about the exams and like about other things also. We are charging you 1800 rupees for the course that we are offering you. That does not include live classes, which I have mentioned in the previous video also, that this is not for the live classes. Live classes means online or brick and mortar based classes, depends on what suits you the best. In this 1800 rupees, you get 100 plus topic tests, 7 national level mocks, that is prep XGMT, 12 sectional tests, strategic videos and 75 conceptual videos. Okay, for the live courses we are charging you 12,000 rupees and there is also group discount. So that 12,000 rupee inclusive of this 1800 rupees. So in case let's say 5 friends are joining and Quantica offers you a discount of 25%. So out of 12,000 you need to pay only 9,000 rupee, and that 9,000 already includes the 1800 that you have enrolled here, right? So everything you will get from here. Now let's learn how to access the material or the mocks that is given for free. Many students are calling me up and saying, sir, we were not getting the previous year paper in the Google, which is not possible, and mocks prepared by the national leaders of CAT coaching center does not have a bit of idea what kind of question appear in XGMT. So let's learn how to enroll for free. This is enroll for free button, click on it and you get something like this. Put your mobile number. I am not putting my mobile number because I already have an account. So when I log in from here with the account that I have, right? So what is the important, when you enroll for free here, you will put your mobile number. This website will send you an OTP and a time of 60 seconds, right? You put the OTP, a non-used email ID, non-used mobile number, I mean from this website. तो जब आप मोबाइल नंबर देंगे, ईमेल आईडी देंगे, तो वहाँ पे फिर आप इस तरह से आपका एक लॉगिन आईडी क्रिएट हो जाएगा. लॉगिन आईडी क्रिएट होने के बाद व्हेन यू पुट द लॉगिन आईडी एंड पासवर्ड द वे इट इज शोन ऑन द स्क्रीन, यू कैन ऑलवेज लॉग इन. Once you log in, a message will pop up here. What is the message that is popping up here? Already free enrolled, but the message that you will get will be, congratulations, you have enrolled for the free courses, because I had already enrolled, so that is why it is coming to me. Now I will go to the courses. The only course that will be visible to me is the XGMT course. Reason is very simple, because I have not applied for the other courses. So you can see here today's classes, latest update. This is XGMT. Click on the XGMT. Yes, and on the left pane you can see what all things are free for you. I mean without paying 1800 rupees. So if you open the strategic videos, you get to see how to prepare for the XGMT. If you click on the mock XGMT, you get to see the first mock, which is free for everyone. Now this is prep XGMT, close to the XGMT, very close to it, right? We have taken a great care and sincerity while designing the paper. So attempt now. If you click on this, you can write the mock. Okay, so this is how the paper will appear. If I click declaration tick here, I am ready to begin. So the paper will start, which I do not want to show you as of now. Coming back. Other than this, we have also given you a taste of emotional quotient, right? In the mock also you can see the emotional quotient, and here also only one topic test is given to you. You will understand what is the difference between Quantica and the other coaching center who claims to offer XGMT mocks. Okay, these all tests are free. These all tests are free. VALR, we have kept around 10 topic tests free for you: reading comprehensions, critical reasoning, LR and all. QA, we have kept around 8 tests free for you, right, such that you can understand what kind of paper we have designed. For example, this is algebra 1. So when you go to algebra 1 and you try to attempt the test, what does happen? Let's see. This is how the topic test will appear to you on your screen. When you are like, I'm ready to begin, you can see how many questions are there. We have 10 questions in the first topic test of algebra. Can you see that? I hope you can see that, the paper. Okay, okay, okay. So this is how the topic tests appear to you, and the time has already started. The moment you submit the paper, you will get the scorecard here. I did not click on any answer, so it is coming 0 here. There are many concept videos also available in the page, like concept videos. This will go up. At least we will have 12 concept videos here. The only one concept video we have put is looking like this, right? Down below you can also post your comments about the video. Okay, this is the create new post. So you will have 10 concept videos here. I have not uploaded my lecture, so you can always go to YouTube, okay, Quantica classes, and you can watch my videos along with the other faculties also. So these all things are free. You can always enroll for 1800 rupees course. Okay, thank you.